So students, so we have to work with NLTK. So NLTK comes with many corpora, toy grammars, trained models. A complete list is posted at this website. You will get complete information about NLTK. Okay. So to install NLTK, first you have to import NLTK. And you have to download it. Once you download it, this kind of options comes. Let's say if I press D, okay. So there are packages available for NLTK tokenization purpose. Okay. So could tokenizer divide string into list of substrings. For example, tokenizer can be used to find the words and punctuation in a string. So you can, these questions are there, okay? So from NLTK dot tokenize, import what tokenize. What you can do. Let's say this is my string. So in your questions, I think you have to take paragraphs, right? This is a plot, okay? It's called dispersion plot, where you'll get the terms like here web. This has been plotted, but I don't know why mining, spider, and trap. These are getting not these words not plotted. I don't know why. Because the text that you have taken have spider is there. And then graphical plot the frequency distribution. This is also another plot which gives us graphical representation. Okay, so this is the count y-axis and x-axis is the terms. You can understand this seeing this plot. Then similar way you can also check the frequency distribution of the words. So all terms and their frequencies are getting displayed. Like wave has appeared 2 times. I think this is there in the question also, to print the frequencies of the words. Okay. And then finally you can have most common words.